Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this Brew Pub Lotzza Motzza sausage and pepperoni pizza that we picked up at Costco. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You just need your pizza, a knife, scissors, or your hands to open up your packaging, and then something to put your pizza on after it comes out of the oven. This is the kind of pizza that they want placed directly on the oven rack without a pan or anything. So once you get it out of the oven, you will need some foil or pan like this or something like that to put it on. So first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna go ahead and open up our packaging. All right, so now that we have got that done, we're gonna go ahead and place this into the oven on the middle oven rack. They recommend cooking this for about 18 to 23 minutes or until the cheese is all melted and golden brown. So I will come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, it has been 30 minutes in my oven, and this is the state that my pizza is in right now. It did go over their recommended time, but the center did take a long time to start getting any color on it. And whenever I touch the underside of the crust right now, it is a little bit softer in the center than it is anywhere else. So if you would like it to be a crispy crust all the way throughout, you're definitely gonna have to cook it a little bit longer than this. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.